everyone. This is my new gym top that I got today, and I'm super excited to go to the gym in this because why not? Here are a few life updates. Update 1, I finally got both of my doses of the chickenpox vaccine. I did not contact chickenpox thankfully during my childhood, but that means I was at an increased risk of complications if, God forbid, I ever contacted it during my internship or something else. So, I finally got both of my doses of chickenpox vaccine, so I'm finally immunized. Thank God for that. I was manifesting this for my new year, like 2026. One of my major goals was like get vaccinated because vaccination is important, people. Okay, next is I'm gonna have some pre workout, which is, guys, coffee. I'm not a coffee person. I like coffee. I like chai more. Like I can drink a bucket of chai, but I can't drink a bucket of coffee. I think by the time I get to the bottom of this mug, I start to vomit. So, but it's nice. Okay, coffee as pre-workout. How many of you guys do that? Okay, I'm not keeping it on the bed because they say Indian household, if I spill it on the bed, I'm gonna die. Today has been an eventful day. I finally got both of my doses, and second, I had, as I mentioned before in the video, I had an amazing Odia cuisine wala restaurant eating experience. The restaurant serves like pure Odia theme khana, like it's pure Odia cuisine. And if you're a fellow Odia, even if you're not a fellow Odia, just please go and actually taste authentic Odia food. The restaurant is called Niman because I feel like a lot of restaurants that we go to on average, they just have the same masala base, and they put, like if you order paneer, they put paneer in that same masala base. If you order mushroom, they put mushroom in that same masala base. You order chicken, they put everything in the same masala base that they have, so everything tastes the same, and it kind of tastes disgusting because there's like a lot of excess masala and oil and butter. But like this restaurant, like there's no paneer. It was like pure Odia cuisine, and it was so good. Like it was so good. Third life update is I have got like 1 month more of my 120 days challenge remaining approximately. I'm still not where I want to be, but I'm still far from where I've started. And I've decided to maybe try and do more cardio because I need to do that. Like if you ever see me anywhere, just like please remind me to do two things, like do cardio and drink water. Just like if you see me, say hi and then say drink water, do cardio. And I was like, okay, what else happened today? Yeah. I woke up, I went shopping, I got my vaccine from a pediatrician. That's why he has a smiley. I just want to say I love you guys so much. I really do. I also love YouTube, and I think YouTube also loves me back. I really love documenting my life and just, just being myself and just looking at myself and just like, you're doing okay, girl. Like, you are doing okay. To all of you out there, like, to you watching, know that you're doing okay. It might not seem you're doing okay. You might feel like there's a race and you're losing it. But the thing is, everybody, anything that people show online, like even me, like every single person online, like I try to show the way my life is in real, like just the way it is online without like trying to modify, edit stuff, vagera. Because I want to keep it real and genuine. Because I feel authenticity is something that is really missing in our current generation, in this current era. And I'm trying to find authenticity even in myself. I ask myself, is this me? Or am I performing? I'm just trying to be liked or being perceived a certain way by some people. I'm just really trying to bring the most authentic version or the most real, genuine, just the way it is in content to you guys. And I hope I can, like, my content provides some value to you and adds to you. Yeah, I just love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. And yeah, another life update. I have been reading romance. Yes, this girl you see here has started reading romance novels. Like I've just read two in my life till date. I'm on my third one right now. And you know what? I had like a really bad workout the day before yesterday because and I I went in and I went inside the gym, and it has not been even like 10 minutes of me entering into the gym, and I have already injured myself. Like I gave my, like you can't see it, but there's like a tiny bruise forming over there. It's kind of still red. It's gonna turn blue black now. Yeah, it hurts, and I gave myself a bruise while adjusting the bench. Yeah, while adjusting the bench, not even while picking up a heavy dumbbell or like working out. No, I gave myself an injury while picking up, just like adjusting the bench because I was too absent minded. I was like overthinking, and then I just adjusted the bench in a way that it just damaged my skin. So the final update is that I'm going to try and record more of my life, and I'm going to try and push that out content really fast because मेरे फ़ोन में स्पेस नहीं है, मेरे फ़ोन में स्पेस नहीं है. सो अगर मैं किसी को भी मुझे कोई गिफ्ट देना है, प्लीज़ गिफ्ट मी क्लाउड स्टोरेज. लाइक I would love some cloud storage. So, agar anybody is feeling very generous, like gift me cloud storage. Anyways, thank you for watching. I love you guys so much. I hope you have a great day and keep going, keep working, keep believing in yourself. Do not overthink. Do not lose faith in yourself. Just love yourself. Love the people around you. Give them love. But do not forget to love yourself as well. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you next Monday. Bye. Mommy smile. Papa smile. I got 3 new tops and these sandals on insistence of my beloved mother. I feel like such a nepo baby. I kind of am, but like not really nepo. But we all are privileged because our parents worked so hard to be able to give us the lifestyle that we currently have. I'm so tired. This is literally my favorite lip balm ever. This comes in like 4 different, not even flavors, like I don't know, not shades because it's the same shade, but it just feels different. So like 4 different colors, I'm gonna say. And I haven't tried the pink and the blue one yet. I've tried the green and the yellow one yet, and I love them. So I'm gonna unbox this one and try this today. Okay, let's go.